Hi guys, this is Dr. Nanda from Jiva Med Spa. I'm here today to talk to you guys about the concept of vampire facial, PRP, and what all this means. So a lot of you guys have seen photos online of blood on the face and gore, and yeah, Halloween just got done. And we want to really kind of get this down to the nitty gritty and figure out what does this stuff mean exactly. So a vampire facial is when we actually use some microneedling. So we're actually using a small device that has little microneedles, and we're actually going over the skin and we're actually cleaning up those little pores and texture using these little needles. I like to describe it as like aerating your lawn. We always aerate our lawn to let it breathe, let it be natural. That's what we're doing. We're doing the concept of microneedling in a simple aspect. When we add PRP onto that, we're actually stimulating the cells to regrow, regenerate, and actually heal itself really quick. And what you have in the end is a nice, beautiful lift. So what is PRP? PRP is when we draw our blood, we spin it down, we separate the super strong cells from the weak cells, we keep those super strong cells, our platelet-rich plasma, and then we rub it back on, or we can inject it in. That helps our skin regenerate really well. So a lot of you guys are thinking, oh wow, this sounds like it's really painful. Needles? I don't like needles. These are tiny, smaller than an insulin syringe needle. I mean, they're so tiny you don't even feel it. Not even like an acupuncture size needle, tinier than that. They're so small you don't really feel anything. And plus, guys, you're numbed with my special numbing cream, which is way more potent than what you can get in a regular esthetician's office. We are a medical practice. So I have a higher grade numbing agent that we use. We put on you, you really feel nothing. You're very comfortable. We're having a conversation like this, and then you get back in your car and you drive home and you go do whatever you want. So it's really quick, really easy, little to no downtime. You're gonna love the results. Let's talk about downtime for a second. What does downtime mean? In my terms, downtime means, okay, I can't do anything. You're not gonna have any of that downtime with this. By downtime here, I'm talking about redness, some textural irregularities for a few days where people may be like, well, we know you did something, they can't really put their finger on it. That's not even to this extent. When we do a vampire facial, you don't even have that kind of downtime. It's more like a day max, more in the order of 20 minutes to 2 hours, depending on how deep we go. And then you can go back to your regular activities. This is not a laser, so you can go in the sun, you can go swimming, you can go work out, you can go to your kids' games, you can go about your daily duties, you can go back to work. We don't want you to put makeup on right away because it's healing skin, but that's what you can expect after the treatment. So when we actually sell this package, we like to actually say it's a group of like 2 to 3 to really see good results. That doesn't mean that you're not going to get excellent results after even one session, because even after one, you're going to start having a good result. It's after multiple sessions simultaneously, about 3-4 weeks apart, 6 weeks apart sometimes, that you'll really start to see that additive benefit and you'll get those really cranking results. So I hope you guys are excited about this like I am, because you only have one face. Largest organ in the body is our skin. See us on our website, jivamedspa.com, or come visit me personally for a free consultation, jivamedspa.com, or you can call us 614-421-SKIN.